Refresh. Okay guys, I think you guys doing well. So in this video I'm going to explain how to import a PDF file into AutoCAD. So as an example, I will use this PDF file and I will import this window into AutoCAD file. But remember, this PDF file should be not a scan one. If it is scan one, it does not give a professional outcome, right? So it should be not a scan one. And then you need to open the AutoCAD file. And first you need to set the unit of the AutoCAD file. I will just type unit and okay, sorry, unit, and you can keep decimal here. I will give precision as this one, and the unit give I will give millimeters and international, and okay. Now you go here, press it here, and go import and choose the PDF format. Now you can select the file icon here and choose where the PDF file is available, and just press it and open. Now you will get this window, and keep the scale like this and all the other thing like this, so it will smoothly import your PDF file into the AutoCAD file, right? And press OK. If it is a big file, it take some time, but if it is a small file like this, it quickly imported. Now you have to set the scale of this file. To that you can copy that file from to outside, and if I measure the distance here from here to here, it's say 27. That means it doesn't give the mentioned dimension, right? So you have to scale it. For that, go to the scale and select the object and enter. Now you have to press select the base point, just select a point. Now go to the reference. Now you have to give the known distance. That means you can select here and here. You know the distance, it is 400, sorry, it's 548. Now you can type 548 and press enter. Now it's scaled correctly. If you measure the distance here, it give same the distance as mentioned in the drawing, so scale is okay. That is the simple way you import the PDF file into AutoCAD. I think you got something, and thank you for the participation.